Hey guys, welcome to my vanity. Oh hey, I'm going to show you inside some of these drawers. You are going to get the full backstage look at what's over here, which is kind of like the pretty nice tools and extra things that I use on a daily basis. But you're also going to get to see what is over here, and I'm just gonna give you a good vanity tour, everything top shelf that I use every single day. So these are all of the current favorites, stuff that I'm reaching for the most, from foundation to primer to brushes. I just kind of wanted to show you my setup, how I film, and all of the stuff that I have my hands in all the time. And then also, so many of you guys are curious of what goes back here. So I just wanted to give you a little taste of an upcoming video that I'm still working on. I still plan on doing a full makeup collection and full tour of all of these drawers. That is still coming. It has been a labor of love. It's been a process, to say the least, but we are still gonna end up there. For now, we'll kind of start right in this area. Ooh, top drawer of organization and extra things that I need. So starting over here, I have my Clarisonic. This is key for blending in your foundation. Come on, little buddy. Ugh. Yes. So what I also love is the firming attachment. I have all my weird like skin contraptions in here. I got my Nurse Jamie uplift. Oh my gosh, that actually feels so nice because I clench my teeth. It's just like the freaking best. You'll see through here we have a lot of makeup removers. I have eye makeup removers, face wipes, a lot of makeup removal that happens right here. I have blotting papers. I have a really beautiful mist. Oh, you guys, this is so good. I will be here for a minute. This is better than morphine. I got it in France. I wandered into this like cute little pharmacy. They have the coolest pharmacies there, and it has all this cool makeup and skincare, and I saw this and it was like spray on hyaluronic acid, and I just I'm like, yes. I can't believe I haven't gone through the whole thing. It's so good. This is the Magic Concoction. Now, a lot of you guys think that I tan. I don't. I rarely even use self-tanner. Like this that you see here is all just for the day until I rinse it off. And what I do is I take Perfect and lanolin all over, and when you mix these two together, it looks like diarrhea, but it's for your body. Oh my God, I can't film at the end of the day. I should not be allowed to, seriously. We're gonna smear this on our body now. And this does not transfer. You are hydrating, you are doing good things for your skin, but you also are getting this like beautiful color that does not rub off on anything. And trust me, I have white furniture everywhere in my home, so I find out really quickly when that happens from my husband screaming. No, I'm just kidding. My vamp stamp. I still have this. I still love it. Oh my gosh, Alexis Vogel. You guys, I ordered Alexis Vogel off of like an infomercial the longest time ago. And this is actually really cool. It's this like felt thing that you can put on your face, and then you take your makeup brush and you go like this, but it has like different shapes. I don't know. It's basically just an expensive piece of fabric. I also have some mints. I have some breath spray that also helps your vocal cords and helps you to speak better, because something that happens to me when I'm filming, not a lot of people think about this, but when you're sitting there talking to a camera and no one is talking back to you, you literally run dry. Like I will be just like talk, and I almost get out of breath. It's the weirdest thing. So I like to have like mints and a breath spray, and just like it's important to my filming process. In here, some velour puffs, beauty blenders, cleanser, hand cream. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. But you guys don't need to be bougie and buy the Kerastase ones. Just go and get some good old fashioned like balance or snuggle sheets. But if you ever deal with your hair being staticky, these are the coolest things because they, oh my God, ow. I injured myself. Where'd it go? I go like this and this. No more static. Okay, so have that in there. Basically, you guys are getting the theme. This is all other things that I use to get ready that aren't necessarily makeup. So over here, it's so hot in here, honest to God. Okay, so I have my fan that I got when we were in Maui. Love it. I use this when I'm like drying off my setting spray if I want to be really extra about it. Got my contact lens, whatnot, got some deodorant. Probably use that right now, actually. It's hot outside. Stay fresh, guys. When I have razors for when I shave my face. I actually do that. Now comes the part that you guys want to see. I know you do. Let's take a look at my vanity. So this is what you guys don't see when I am filming. This is where the magic happens. This is where I get ready every single day, and what I'm about to share with you are my current everyday must-haves, the true top shelf items. So I want to start with sharing my favorite thing on my vanity. Oh look, it's Halo Beauty. This is something that I do take every single day. Great for your hair, skin, and nails, and I'm really proud of this. It does work. I keep it front and center. 21 ingredients that reduce inflammation, increase hydration, and just make you look good and help, you know, boost that wellness and beauty from the inside out. So there's my little Halo plug. So of course I have Cody Airspun. That always stays with me, and this does not fit in this little acrylic thing that I have right here, so I kind of keep it on the top. I'm really into these nude sticks right now. These are so good, you guys. If you have not checked them out, you definitely should. They're awesome. The goods. Okay, so if you look in my description box, you will often see reoccurring items that I use over and over again because I do list my makeup in every video, or at least I try to. Something that you will see a lot is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the anti-aging primer potion. I love that. A newer one that I'm kind of playing around with is the Eye Stay Primer from Guerlain. I don't think it's better than Urban Decay, and this is more expensive, so we're kind of still battling it out. I have my lash glue from Velour. I have some Pro Camouflage Cream. This is Dermacolor D1W. Sometimes I will highlight with this. I have this new primer. This is the Meteorites. This is an Oxygen Care Moisturizer and Radiance Boost. I do not think it's as good as this guy right here. Holy cow, this has been my favorite for so long. This is the gold base, and I can't get enough of it. I always go back to it. I have my under eye kind of depuffer type of a primer situation. I don't know if this works, but I just got in the habit of using it. It's from Becca. I have my Dermacol for spot correction. We have some Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer. Siri recommended this, and I like it. If you haven't seen the Siri Picks My Makeup video, I will link that below. I have, of course, my Tarte Clean Slate Pore Filling Primer, but you know what? There's a new kid in town, and I love this whipped primer. I did a whole video on this, and you guys, I love this for filling in pores. This is from Winky Lux, and she's a part of the permanent family now. I have my Age Rewind for concealing. I have some Nars, some Estee Lauder Double Wear, a couple of contour sticks. We also have a Maybelline Eye Shadow that I love using as highlight, you guys. Like, this one actually works so beautifully. Like, it's this beautiful gold. Like I needed any more highlight right now, but you know what? More is more. So I love this one for highlight. It's like $4. So good. Perfect tone. I also have a random little powder here. This is from the Nars Olympia Duo, and I love setting my under eye area with this. It's the Perfect Brightness, and when I did my How to Fix Your Makeup If You've Screwed Up video, I'll link that below as well. I talked about taking a crease brush over your already set concealer if it's not bright enough, and just kind of patch correcting that darkness, and a powder like this that has opacity is a really great thing to use. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is from Briogeo. It's so expensive. I'm getting like good vibes from this. Like, I'm actually feeling like relaxed. This is what I do when I wake up every morning. Birds sing, and I just like stroll out of bed, and I pick up my rose quartz comb, and I'm like, ah. That's not my life. Okay, but we do love that. Let's move on. Oh, hello, JLo. This is a good bronzer, you guys. It just has like the right kind of a tone in it to just make you golden and bronze looking without making you look fake. If you only have $5 and you want a good blush, Beloved from Makeup Revolution, one of my top favorites of just all of my blush. Like, I have every expensive blush out there in a drawer behind me, but I keep using this one. I love it. Also, Stay Matte is what I use when I get a little too shiny around my nose, my chin, my T-zone. If I want to kind of slightly touch up, I will reach for this. I've been testing this out on the body. This has been something that I take like a big brush and I'm like, makeup everywhere. It does make you glow. Really great pan size, love that. Another great bronzer, can we tell she likes bronzer, is from Galactic. This is the Luminous Face Powder in medium. I also cannot live without Hourglass Ambient powders. These are so beautiful for a subtle highlight or an all over kind of creamy glow. I really love that. I also adore Scott Barnes anything, pretty much. This is a great highlighter, beautifully milled, really fine, just looks like just this gorgeous realistic glow on the skin. I have another Nars Duo. I actually use this more in the eye socket than anything else. It's just like a very beautiful chocolatey brown, but it's sold as a contour powder. Cannot go without this. I actually have backups. This is Wanderlust from Stila. It is my favorite. Wait, this is not Wanderlust. Why are you in here? You're pretty. I guess you can stay. Wanderlust is my favorite. This is Kitten Karma. I wonder where Wanderlust wandered off to. So we now have another newer favorite of mine. So when I do videos and I find things that I'm like, oh yeah, that worked so good, it kind of finds a home right here. And I recently did the L'Oreal Crushed Foil collection, and these are so good. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not pick these up, like, oh, you should. Like, the packaging is a little bulky for just one shadow, but they are just like, oh, yum. Like, they are so pretty, right? L'Oreal drugstore, like, are you kidding me? I can't. I love all of them. I could just stay in here for a while and just kind of like play with all the shiny things. Boom. So this is one of my favorite drawers right now. That's kind of like a current favorites actually of the summer. Okay, on top of here I do have my Chanel Sublimage. I use this when I just want kind of a tinted moisturizer type of a deal. We have a Jeffree Star lip scrub. I have lash glue. I have tweezers, whatnot. Some lashes up here that I enjoy. And then the way that I kind of sort out my eyebrows, mascara, and lips is just in jars like this. So I have this one right here that has mascara and liner in it. Why I need 4 mascaras on my desk, who knows, but apparently I do. I have a Givenchy eye base. I have the Lash Paradise, of course, some Roller Lash from Benefit, and the Kokie Volume and Length. I have the Makeup Revolution liner. I'm about to talk about this in Good Cheap Makeup. This is such a good one. I love it. I have Pat McGrath. Love Pat McGrath. Her liner is awesome. This one I tested out in the New at the Drugstore video. This is Model's Own. It does not budge, you guys. I was super impressed. I also have Teddy. I love this. I was actually watching a Jaclyn Hill tutorial when she was like, and I'm about to use Teddy in the waterline, and I'm like, I have that! And I'm like, it's on my desk! And I felt really cool for a minute. Over here, I have brows. Now, something that people rip on me all the time, they're like, why do you use 5 things in your brows? And I'm like, because I need dimension and I gotta fill them in. There's just not a lot to work with. I fake it till I make it. So I use the Sephora Waterproof in Soft Charcoal. This is one of my absolute favorites. The color of it is just right. I'm wearing it today. It's like a deep, rich brown. I also have Anastasia Soft Brown. My Dior pencils are in my makeup bag, but I love those as well. This is newer. I absolutely love this from Milk Makeup. This is the Cush Fiber Brow. This really builds on your brows. Like, it makes you feel like, wow, how'd I grow hair on my brows like that? It's really cool, and it kind of sets them in place. For lips, gosh, this is kind of how I travel too. Like, when it comes to travel, I'm so bad. I take so many lip items with me. It's horrible. And when I keep things on my desk, like, lips tend to overpower and dominate it all. So I have this from Fenty Beauty. This is one of the most beautiful red liquid lips. I think it's so gorgeous. I also absolutely love Sonata from Stila. Really into Exposed from Tarte. And then these little guys from Tarte, these kind of like chubby lipstick pencils, are so dope. I think these are incredible. They feel good. They have a beautiful tone to them, easy to wear, easy to touch up. I think they're great. M Cosmetics just brought out these glosses. This is called Magic Hour. It's a beautiful coral. And these are kind of interesting. They're not sticky, they're very gel-like, and it almost feels like you have water on your lips. They're just a very like wet texture that I'm so into. And then I have my brushes, and that's pretty much this side. And then over here, oh my God. Is it on?
Yeah.
God damn it. There have been a few deaths in the family. I just dropped all my palettes on the floor. Great. Let's see how many survived. Oh no! Gosh, no. Oh shoot. Yes. Okay, this one survived. Oh no! Hey, Kat Von D. Oh, you survived. I'll put you back together, I promise. All right. Oh, damn it! I love this palette, and it's like $100. This survived. This is beautiful. I'm gonna go cry in a corner. Why did this happen to me? You survived. You're beautiful. Tarte sent me this. It's like they knew. Oh my gosh, my earring back. How weird. Hey, why won't it work? Sadly, this has been a pretty accurate representation of my day-to-day life with makeup. I'm constantly dropping things. It happens all of the time, and I'm a big klutz. So I need to go grab a working dust buster and clean all of this mess up. But you guys got like a good look at the palettes that I reach for a lot as well. The other ones right in front of me that I use often are the BH Studio Pro, the Ultimate Neutrals. I also have, oh, I'm so glad that this one did not drop. This is like my favorite singles are in here, and I travel with this. So here they are, boom, blushes, bronzer, boom. And then I also have Makeup Revolution highlighters are just freaking bananas. It is just like so unreal. The formula that they came out with, I love. Front and center. Every time I use it, I'm impressed. I think that's it, you guys. So that is a look at my getting ready area that I go to and sit down to every single day. I am, of course, going to be sharing more of the room with you very, very soon. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, make sure your notification bell is rung. All right, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.